it doesn't take much of your time. Today we are going to see more and more nutrition breakfast. First thing I am going to show you simple boiled peanuts and sweet potato salad. For that we need carrot, cucumber, mango. For that we need carrot, cucumber, mango, tomatoes, nuts and chopped coriander with mint. On the nuts we are taking fig, cashew, pista and walnuts. Here ginger, garlic, chilies. We are taking onions, chopped coriander and mint, boiled peanut and boiled sweet potato, lemon for garnish. Now we can see that process. Sweet potato, peanuts. I'm going to mix cucumber, tomato, onions, these are the spices. How much you require you can take. Let's take a little bit. Adding ginger, chilies and garlic. Little bit we have added. Finally, nuts. Now we are going to mix. Slowly we can mix. Finally we are adding pepper. Squeezing lemon. We are squeezing lemon. Now we are going to taste. In this, vitamins and nutrients are very rich. Take this morning. It is very healthy. And I hope you all enjoy my video and my recipes. You also try this in your home. Yet the morning like this, the items you try at morning. Subscribe and like, share my video. Please subscribe our videos, like our videos, share my video and these recipes to your friends.